Good morning, I'm here with my brother John this morning and we are going to go get some coffee and do some filming for John's vlog and go and check out Terrigal because it looks like an awesome day. So we're walking through Terrigal now and we're about to check out Luna Cafe to get our coffee.
My favourite coffee shop.
And I've heard so many great things but I've never tried it before. And I'll film.
In the dark's all that I see when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. Figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our two paths align, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars.
So that's the view.
Yeah.
That's cool. He's just testing out his drone and he's launched it now over Terrigal and it's so cool. It's getting the whole view of the haven. So John's finished his drone filming and we're about to head back to my house now to make some breakfast. Breakfast is served, looks amazing and we're gonna
Smells amazing too.
enjoy it out in the sunshine.